So, we have learned in the previous class trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Now, we are going to learn trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. I am repeating, you may think that some topics are deleted by CBSE, but why it is included? Knowing these concepts are of no harm, then examination point of view, we will not be taking this or whatever deleted. But now, while teaching, we will be teaching all the concepts. It's always good for you to apply in the next thing. Okay, so trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. You know already what are complementary angles. In small class, you had studied. Two angles, sum, if it is 90 degree, they are known as complementary angles. For example, 10 and 80 degree, 30 degree and 60 degree, 45 and 45, they are complementary relation. One angle is theta, then the other angle will be 90 minus theta. That is complementary angle. One angle agar theta hai, the next one will be 90 minus theta. Their total will be 90 degree, and it can be clearly seen in right angle triangle, because in a right angle triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, the other two angles total is 90 degree. So, if one angle is theta, obviously the third angle will be 90 minus theta. So, we can clearly see some complementary relation is there in trigonometric ratios. That can be seen very clearly. With an example, I will be explaining you. Look at, suppose this angle is 30 degree. We know this angle is 90 minus 30, it will be 60 degree. We all know that sine of 30 degree is 1 by 2. You know, this is A. So, this will be 2A and this will be root 3A. This is the ratio of three sides. 30 is to 60 is to 90. Will be 1 is to root 3 is to 2. That will be the ratio in every triangle with 30, 60, 90. Sine 30 is 1 by 2. What is cos 60? What is cos 60? We know, we have just now we learned what is cos 60. Cos 60 is also 1 upon 2. So, there is some relation, their values are same, you can see it. So, there is some relation between 30 and 60. If you observe these two, you can see that 30 and 60 are complementary angles. Sine is becoming cos. Cos is nothing but complementary of sine. 30 degree or 60 degree is complementary. So, sine has become complementary, sine has become cosine, that has become cos. Now, same 30, 60, let us see. Tan 30 degree. What is tan 30 degree? We have just learned tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. What is cot 60 degree? Cot 60 is also 1 by root 3. Just look at these two. You can see 30 and 60 complementary. Tan has become cot. Cot is nothing. Cotangent, complementary tangent. Complementary sine, complementary tangent. You can see that co, another. Sec. What is sec 30 degree? What is sec 30 degree? Sec 30 degree. What is 30 degree ka sec? Hypotenuse upon adjacent side. 2 upon root 3. Sec is cos ka reciprocal hai. So, sec 30 is 2 upon root 3. And what is cosec 60? Cosec 60. Cosec. Hypotenuse upon opposite side, that is also 2 upon root 3. So, now if you see these two, you can see 30 degree and 60 degree and sec and cosec. So, it is very clear when you take the pairs, sine and cos are complementary pairs, tan and cot are complementary pairs, sec and cosec are complementary pairs. You can very clearly see the word co. Cosine, cotangent, cosecant, complementary, complementary. So, sine of an angle is same as cos of its complementary. Tan of an angle's value is same as cot of its complementary. Sec of an angle is same as cosec of its complementary. This is the relation of trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Very clear. So, if I give you some values, you can clearly fill it. Suppose if I am telling sine of 10 degree will be same as cosine of 80 degree. Tan of 25 degree is same as 25 degree ka complementary is 65, correct, 65 degree. Tan ka complementary is cot. Cosec 50 degree is same as sec 40 degree. You can see the angle 25 has become its complementary 65. Tan has become cot. 50, 40 complementary, sec and cosec. Sine and cos 10 and 80 degree. So, this is the complementary relation. So, we can easily write its relation like this. Sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. The same way, tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta. Sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta and the vice versa. इसके बीच में हमको लिख सकते हैं cos theta is nothing but sin 90 minus theta. Cot theta is nothing but tan 90 minus theta and cosec theta is nothing but sec 90 minus theta. So, this is the formula to be learned in trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. So, using this we can do the next exercise, which is a simple exercise. So, this relation you should know. So, this is the third concept. Now, only one concept is remaining, that is identities, trigonometric identities. And these values are very important to do the next lesson, complementary relation, that is application of trigonometry, that is heights and distances, application of trigonometry. So, you should know all these concepts according to me. Then let's see what is deleted. We will not be concentrating on that more for the examination point of view. So, hope you are clear about what is meant by complementary angle. Sine and cosine, sine and cos are complementary pairs. Tan and cot are complementary pairs. Sec and cosec are complementary pairs. This co-word itself, you can connect with that. Okay, let's come to the next exercise, that is exercise 8.3. Exercise 8.3, main question number 1, evaluate. The first question is sine 18 degree upon cos 72 degree. By looking at it, you can understand the angles are complementary. 18 degree ka complementary angle is 72 degree. Sine and cos, and it is same. Sine of an angle is cos of its complementary angle. So, they remain same. The answer is 1 with the procedure. Let us not change both. Let us keep one angle as it is, sine 18 degree, and we will change this as cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. So, this is sine 18 degree upon sine 90. See, here I applied the formula cos theta sine 90 minus theta. 90 minus 72 degree is 18 degree and the answer is 1. Okay. Come to the next question. It is one and the same. Tan 26 degree upon cot 64 degree. You know 26 degree and 64 degree are complementary angles. Tan and cot are complementary relation. This remains the same. I mean, they are one and the same and the answer will be 1. How to depict it? Tan 26, let's keep as tan 26, let's keep as tan 26 itself. Cot theta is tan 90 minus theta. So, tan 26 degree upon tan 26 degree, which will become 1. Come to the third question. Third question is cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. You know very clearly 48 degree and 42 degree are complementary. So let's convert one into the other. So cos theta is sine 90 minus theta. I'm not changing sign. Don't convert 42 into 48 and 48 into 42. You won't reach anywhere. Make the same angle. So sine 90 minus 48 is 42 degree minus sine 42 degree, which will become 0. Come to the next one. It's one and the same. Fourth question. Cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree. Cosec theta is sec 90 minus theta minus sec 59. Sec 90 minus 31 is 59 minus sec 59, which will become 0. So, hope you understood how to apply complementary angles. They are unknown angles, so you can apply it. Now, I will be doing alternatively, that is main question number 2, 8.3, main question number 2. Main question number 2. First question, second you have to do, first one I will do it. Tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. We want to show that it's equal to 1. Show that it's equal to 1. Let's identify the complementary pairs. We can clearly see 48 and 42 are complementary pairs. 23 and 67 are complementary pairs. Now, one is tan and the one is also tan. So, let's make one tan into cot, because tan and cot are complementary bhi hai, reciprocal bhi hai. Tan ka ulta hai cot. Okay. So, tan 48 degree, let me keep as it is, and tan 23 I am keeping as it is. And now this 42 let me change. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. This tan theta is also cot 90 minus theta. So what I did is, in order to make the same angle, I am changing it. 42 I am converting it into 48. 67 I am converting into 23. Now I will continue. Tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta. So it will come cot 90 minus 42 is nothing but 48 degree, and cot 90 minus 67 is 23 degree. Now you can clearly see you are getting the reciprocal. Tan 48 and cot 48 ka product is 1, because they are reciprocal to each other. So let's write tan 48 into tan 23 into cot. I am writing 1 by tan 48 and 1 by tan 23. This gets cancelled. So what are we getting? Answer 1. So second one you can try. Come to the main question number 3. Main question number 3 is, if tan 2a is equal to, what is given? Tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18 degree, where a and 2a is an acute angle, then find the value of a. We have to find out a. If tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, find the value of a. Okay. One side it is tan, the other side it's cot. So we can convert tan into cot by changing the angle. You know, tan theta is nothing but cot 90 minus theta is equal to cot a minus 18. I am not changing the right side. Left side tan I am converting into cot. Tan theta is cot 90 minus theta. Now, You know, cot of an angle is equal to cot of another angle. What does this imply? What does it mean? The angles are equal. That implies 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. So, can you solve it now? Very clearly. We can take this 2a minus 2a that side. It will become a plus 2a minus 18. I am bringing here 90 plus 18. 90 plus 18 is 108 is equal to 3a. So, a will be 108 divided by 3. It will be 36. 36 degree. Please understand that. Tan I have converted into cot. Cot x is equal to cot y implies x is equal to y. Don't cancel this cot and cot. There is no meaning for it. Cot A is equal to cot B implies A equal to B. So, the angles are equal. So, we are getting the angle. The same way you can do fifth question, fourth and fifth. Fourth also, if tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Third के जैसा ही है fifth question. You can try fifth question. One side it is sec, other side is cosec. So sec you can convert it into cosec and you will get angle A. See, look at fourth question. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove A plus B 90 degree. Obviously tan A, I am changing it into cot. Cot 90 minus A is equal to cot B implies 90 minus A is equal to B implies A plus B. I am taking A that side is equal to 90 degree. So, fifth one you can try, that is main quest number 5 you can try. Main quest number 2 ka 2 also you can try, 2 ka 2. Okay. And the sixth question. A, B, C are interior angles of a triangle ABC. Show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. You know that in a triangle, sum of all the three angles is 180 degree. From that we can prove it easily. Main quest number 6. You know, in triangle ABC, A plus B plus C angle is 180 degree. We want all half of the angle. So, let us make it half. A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2. Obviously, it will be 90 degree. We want B plus C by 2 one side. So, I am keeping only this to this side and taking A by 2 that side. Therefore, B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Keep it as statement number 1 there. Once more, A plus B plus C 180 degree. Sum of the three angles. Half total is 90 degree. So, what is B plus C by 2? It is nothing but 90 minus A by 2. Now, let us come to the sum. In the left side, it is given sine B plus C by 2, which is equal to sine. What is B plus C by 2 from the statement number 1? 90 minus A by 2. Just now we learned in the complementary relation, sine 90 minus theta is cos theta. So, what is this? Nothing but cos A by 2. It is proved. Express, next question, 67 degree and 75 degree in terms of ratio of angles between 0 and 45. How do we make it small? 67 को कैसे छोटा करेंगे? 90 minus 75. 90 minus, obviously angles, the trigonometric ratios may change. That's all. So, seventh question. Seventh question is sine 67 degree plus cos 75 degree. Express it as small angles. So, 67 when I am changing it into small, that is 90 minus 67, sine would become cos. Cos 90 minus 67 degree plus cos would become sine. Sine 90 minus 75. Cos, what is 90 minus 67? 23 degree plus sine 90 minus 75 is 15 degree. Yes. So, with this we have come to an end of the third concept also, which is Exercise 8.3 is completed. Some examples are given 9, 10, 11. Please do it. And even the previous exercise ke pehle bhi some examples are given. Please do it. And one or two sums have left it for you to do. Please do it. And then we will come to the identities in the next class. So I hope you are making a separate notebook for it and writing the main formula and doing the exercise.